day 4 of making the functional Iron Man mask. You already saw the result at the beginning of the video and it's finally moving. I am controlling the mask movement using a pair of syringes. When I press the syringe in my hand, the mask opens, and when I pull it back, the mask closes. Let's understand the mechanism I have used inside the helmet. I have attached a syringe under the top part of the helmet. I am using a nylon wire to pull the mask upwards and downwards. This simple setup creates the opening and closing action you saw. I am making these videos to share a raw DIY friendly idea with all of you so you can try it yourself and of course modify it in your own creative way. In the next video I will be adding some finishing touches to make it look even better. Until then, stay tuned and connected to Craftswala by subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.